All right, we're at, this is section A, spherical mirrors. In the concave mirrors, step one is for you to do. You do a ray diagram. I'm going to do step two. I sort of already did it today, earlier today, and I posted a concave mirror demonstration. Don't remember if it was demonstration one or demonstration two, but I posted it earlier today. But now we're going to do it more formally with the step here. I've got a let me make some room here. I've got a 50 millimeter. I think I was saying milliliter on some of the other uh, on some of the other on one of the other videos. So it's a concave mirror. I'm going to take it, and I'm assuming, and it looks pretty reasonable, I'm assuming that this little tab here is where the mirror, the vertex of the mirror is. So I'm putting it right at 0. And then I've got the little half screen. It's just a piece of card stock on a holder here, and I'm gonna put this on here. Now you can see the rest of my setup over here. I've just got a flashlight shining onto the blinds over here, and I've got a dark blue, basically it's a little journal, a little paper journal on hanging on the blinds, so that you can see something that's contrasting. You may not see it on the screen, but I'll take a photograph of it and send that, and you'll see it. And then I'll take a photograph of where it is on the distance wise, because that's what we're trying to measure. We're trying to measure the focal length. Okay, so I'm moving this closer to the mirror, and at some point you should be able to see things come into focus. Let's see, and what you see is first you see the track, and then there's the blue journal. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. There you can see the journal just barely. And it's right at 5 centimeters, which is 50 millimeters. And I'm going to take a photograph of this and post the photograph so that you can get a better view of it. Let's see. You're looking at the blue, and then I'm going to photograph the position. All right. And it says to do it more than once. So I'm moving it and watching the screen, watching this little white screen until this image, I'll get my arm out of the way. There you can start to see the track. You can start to see the blue. Oh, but there the blue is pretty much well in focus. I'll show you again. There's the little blue journal, and I'll photograph it again, and it looks like it's in the same spot, 5. And I think that's it for this this particular procedure.